The angle of depression of a point on the ground from the top of a tower 50 meter high is 30. Find the distance of the point from the base of a tower. The angle of depression of a point on the ground. Let it is tower AB and angle of depression of the point C on the ground. C is a point on the ground, and its angle of depression from point A to C is 30 degree. Height of tower is 50 meter. Let given that angle of depression, it is horizontal line AX, and angle of depression is given by this angle 30 degree. Since AX is parallel to CB, then this 30 is equal, angle XAC is equal to ACB, because these are alternate angles 30 degree. Find the distance of the point from the base of a tower. Base of the tower is B, and we have to find the distance between the base of the tower to point C. Then we apply tan theta perpendicular upon base. In triangle ACB, tan 30 is given by perpendicular upon base. Value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is 50 and base is BC. Then BC equal 50 root 3 meter, and it is answer. Now the next question is, the tangent of the angle of elevation of the top of a pillar is equal to 3 by 4 of their shadow at the vertex. Then find the ratio of the height of the pillar to length of shadow. Means the tangent of the angle of elevation of the top of a pillar. The tangent means value of tan of the angle tan theta. It is given tan theta equal to 3 by 4 times their shadow. Suppose it is pillar and BC is shadow. Its shadow. Now angle of elevation means this angle theta is given. The tangent of angle of elevation of top of a pillar means A point is 3 by 4 of their shadow at the vertex. Means it is theta. This is incorrect. Means tangent of the angle of elevation of the top of a pillar is equal to 3 by 4 only. It is misprint in the book. Then given that angle, let angle of elevation is theta. Theta be the angle of elevation. then tan theta equal tangent of the angle is given 3/4, and tan theta is also equal perpendicular upon base, means it is equal AB by BC, and AB is height of the pillar. We have to find the ratio. We have to find the ratio of the height of the pillar and the length of shadow. AB is height of the pillar and BC is length of shadow. Then ratio between AB and BC is 3/4. Then height of the pillar and length of shadow is 3/4, and it is answer.